Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to disable the control center access on the lock screen in this device. Okay, so simply in this device I am going to lock the device. This is lock screen. If you scroll down from the top right side, you can see we can easily access the control center. So let me show you how to disable this one. Okay, just go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. Tap on this one. Now scroll to bottom. Here you can see some options. Allow access when logged. Okay. Now disable this option Control Center. Simply. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. This is lock screen. If you swipe down from the top right side, you can see we are not able to access the control center. You can see. Right, so simply in this way we can easily disable the control center access on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.